Hi, my name is Atul Narkar and my company's name is BYC Online Retail Private Limited. We are in the business of manufacturing of corporate t-shirts, and some of our clients are Asian Paints, Pidilite Industries, Book My Show, Atomberg and many more, and we're based out of Mumbai. My experience with SIL for today's workshop was a wonderful workshop because what we have done was from zero to till what we have come, and scaling from here was very difficult. Understanding that how do we grow after this level was very much becoming difficult for me to understand how do I scale up the business to a bigger business. Dr. Yogesh had helped me with a step-by-step process on how I can scale this up, and with a broad approach, more than 5 years, how can I take this ahead. So I have a better clarity, and I would ideally suggest for people of the business background to try mentoring with Dr. Yogesh Pawar. Thank you.